In this video, I'll show you whether ProtonVPN is worth it for casual internet users and give you a complete explanation of its features, performance, and usability. If you want a faster, more reliable, and fully featured VPN while following along, NordVPN is an excellent alternative. You can find the link in the description to try it at a great price. To get started, open your web browser and go to ProtonVPN.com. On the home page, choose the version that matches your device: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, or Android, and download the installer. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Once installed, launch the ProtonVPN app. If you already have a Proton account, log in with your email and password. If not, click Create Account and follow the steps to sign up. ProtonVPN offers both free and paid plans. For casual internet use, the free plan can be sufficient, giving you access to a few server locations and keeping your connection encrypted. After logging in, you'll see a clean and simple dashboard. On the left side, there's a list of available countries and servers. You can either press the Quick Connect button to automatically connect to the fastest server or manually select a server in your preferred country. Once connected, a green status icon confirms that your connection is secure. For casual browsing, ProtonVPN is solid. It encrypts your connection, protects your data on public Wi-Fi, and lets you access region-locked content in supported countries. It's easy to use, doesn't overwhelm beginners with complex settings, and keeps your online activity private. However, there are some limitations. Free users have access to only a limited number of servers, and speeds can be slower during peak hours. Some advanced features, like dedicated IP addresses, threat protection, or specialized servers for streaming and torrenting, are only available in paid plans. If you want a VPN that's consistently fast, packed with features, and has a massive server network, NordVPN offers a superior experience. NordVPN has thousands of ultra-fast servers worldwide, including options for streaming, P2P file sharing, and double encrypted connections for maximum privacy. It uses the NordLynx protocol for minimal latency and high speed, includes threat protection to block malware and trackers, and follows a strict no-logs policy. It works across all major devices, ensuring a smooth, secure, and reliable connection at all times. So, while ProtonVPN is good enough for casual internet users who want a free or basic VPN experience, NordVPN is the better choice for anyone looking for fast speeds, advanced security, and access to servers across the globe. Use the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and enjoy faster, safer, and more reliable browsing every time.